But moving on then, coming to you, Kunal, this is Soma Shekhar from Bengaluru. She wants to know the short term, about 6 to 10 months period. She wants advice on Kotak shares that she's bought at 1,800 rupees. She's bought 10 shares. She wants to know whether to hold it or to sell and what should be the target. SBI we've already spoken about, so we'll go with Kotak then.
So very bullish on Kotak Bank, and I think since the stock was one of the leaders in terms of the price move in this last 3-6 months of the market rally or the rally for the banking index, I would sense that it could continue to charge premium for the entire sector. And generally we see that these stocks, they generally they don't top out very easily, because you see stocks like Kotak Bank are also low to moderate beta stocks. And when they come out of 3 years, 4 years of consolidation, in this case it's almost like a 4.5 to 5 years of consolidation for Kotak Bank. We expect that the stocks rally for at least 1 to 1.5 odd year, if not more. I think in that context, I would look at say potentially a target of 2,400 to 2,600 also possible for Kotak Bank. So if you're looking to book profits, and assuming if you have the time frame further of say another 6 months to 1 year, I would suggest that you can continue to hold on to Kotak Bank at current levels also.
And that's a take coming in. As far as Kotak Mahindra Bank is concerned, remember viewers that the number that you can write to us is flashing on the top of your screens. But with that in mind, let's also take the next query coming in from Harsha, writing to us from Chennai. Gaurang wants to know about IDFC First Bank, 500 shares at a buy price of 72 rupees. Now this is obviously, he's sitting at a loss at this point. So what do you make of this one then?
Problem with IDFC First Bank has been in terms of the exposure to the MFI segment, and that was one of the reasons why in Q2 and Q3 we saw a little bit of it on the bottom line because of the provisioning. Post that, the management has been vocal enough to give a guidance towards the recovery process, and that might materialize in the next 2 or 3 quarters. So the health of the balance sheet is going to improve going forward. On the fundamental side, we do have a positive coverage with the targets somewhere close to about 71 rupees. But let me say this, if the improvement in the earnings and recovery as far as MFI segment loan is concerned is better than expected, then these targets would get revised. If you have got invested at higher levels, but you can add on to the stock, not today, but whenever you get a dip, maybe close to towards 60 or below 60 would be a comfortable zone to add or make fresh investments on IDFC First Bank.
All right, moving on from